what is the difference between child support contempt and omission to provide for a child charges in the state of Oklahoma? I'm Tulsa Attorney James Wirth, and we're talking about the differences between child support contempt and omission to provide for a child criminal charges. And there's two primary differences. Okay, so the first one, contempt for failure to pay child support, that is something that can be filed by the other party that is aggrieved in the case. So if you've got a child support case, the other party's not paying, you can file an application for contempt citation, get it to the judge, and have a warrant and get it served on them. If they fail to appear, there can be a warrant for their arrest. You can do that yourself. You don't need a prosecutor to prove that. However, when doing that, and it only requires any violation of the court order, when doing that, it is on you to go ahead and file it, and it is a maximum of a misdemeanor with up to 6 months in jail, $500 fine. Whereas if we're talking about omission to provide for a child, that is a criminal offense in the state of Oklahoma. Different than a contempt citation, it can only be filed by a prosecutor. Typically, that would be the district attorney for that county or an assistant district attorney for that county. That criminal statute is actually Title 21, Section 852. Another difference is not any violation of a child support order qualifies. It has to be significant enough. It has to be where they haven't made any payments for an entire year or where the overdue balance is over $5,000. So breaking this down, the differences are: 1, contempt citation, misdemeanor, up to 6 months in jail. 2, it can be filed by the other party in the case. And then on the other side, if we're talking about omission to provide, that is a felony offense, up to 4 years in jail upon conviction, has to be filed by the prosecutor, not the other party. All right, so if you've got questions about collecting child support, defending child support, wanting to know what the repercussions of not paying are or how to collect on that, you're going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially about your specific circumstances. To get that scheduled with an attorney at my office, you can go online to makelawEasy.com.